украинском центре в Нью-Йорке состоялся торжественный вечер, посвященный назначению постоянным представителем Украины в Организации Объединенных Наций Андрея Мельника. Заместитель министра иностранных дел Чеченской Республики Ичкерия Асет Сап, которая присутствовала на этой встрече, передала письмо от премьер-министра Чеченской Республики Ичкерия Ахмеда Закаева с поздравлениями послу Украины в Организации Объединенных Наций Андрею Мельнику. His Excellency Mr. Andriy Melnik, Permanent Representative of Ukraine to the United Nations. Dear Mr. Ambassador, on behalf of the government of the Chechen Republic of Ichkeria, and in my personal capacity, I extend to you my deepest respect and the heartfelt gratitude for your kind invitation to the reception at the Ukrainian Institute of America. Today, Ukraine is not merely a nation defending its land with heroic determination. It has become the epicenter of the global struggle for freedom, a beacon of resistance to tyranny, and a moral compass of the entire free world. We are convinced that a new architecture of international solidarity is now emerging around Ukraine, one grounded in the principles of justice, dignity, and an unwavering pursuit of liberty. The Chechen people know all too well the price of lost independence, the pain of occupation, and the silence of the international community. We will never forget that Ukraine was the first country to recognize the territory of the Chechen Republic of Ichkeria as territory occupied by Russian Federation. This was not only a legal declaration, but also a powerful moral act, one that restored historical truth. Today, as in the past, we, the representative of the Ichkeria, fully support the Ukrainian people in their just and noble struggle for freedom and national sovereignty. I am confident that this is an historical moment for all democratic forces, states, nations, institutions, and peoples to unite in the common front against aggression and evil. May Ukraine's courage continue to serve as an example and guiding light for all oppressed peoples. Please accept, dear Mr. Ambassador, my best wishes on this significant evening and my unwavering belief in our shared victory. Prime Minister of the Chechen Republic of Ichkeria, Ahmed Zakayev.
Thank you for coming. Okay. Okay. It's a long way, but I think we have a chance to change anything, even in the world. See those terrible faces that represent Chechnya. It's insane to see all those. Thank you. Thank you. With pleasure. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, yes. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Ambassador Melnik for a few words to our group. Thank you.
Dear President Katina Lavaiko, Director Lydia Zeininger, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends of Ukraine, добрый вечер и слава Украине! or as New Yorkers say, hey, what's up? What's the line for? I don't really know why the Ukrainian Institute invited me tonight. Maybe they thought, well, he survived Berlin, Kiev at war, and even Brazil. So let's see how he handles the Upper East Side. Or maybe there's another reason, because he's a newcomer and he speaks loudly, and we heard he's not afraid to say some uncomfortable and undiplomatic things. So, and that sounds perfect for New York. Dear friends, I'm deeply humbled that so many of you showed up tonight. I know it's summertime, and in this city you have 100 better things to do on a hot Thursday evening, like waiting in line at Trader Joe's or dodging rats the size of a small dogs in the subway. I can get used to Fahrenheit. Every time I see 90 degrees, I feel like I'm being slow cooked. But New Yorkers just say, oh, it's a nice summer day. I keep mixing up Fahrenheit and Celsius. Honestly, for me, Fahrenheit just feels like Celsius is having a midlife crisis. I checked the temperature before coming here. It said 88 degrees Fahrenheit. I thought, well, that's about 32 degrees Celsius, or maybe the temperature of the surface of the sun, who knows it. So I thank you for being here. Your presence warms my heart more than a shot of good Ukrainian horilka at the winter wedding.